Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Wednesday. We are getting our first bad snowstorm in Michigan. So I just want to do kind of an update and show you guys how the ewes were doing, all sheared. And we'll take a look at the calves here in a minute. So these girls are all doing good, bagging up nice from being pregnant. So about a month away from having lambs. A little under a month. And yeah, we got the calves in here yet. I gotta get these guys moved. There's Wellington. I just gave him a little bit of shavings. That way they stay dry with cold and snowing. I also wanted to give a shout out to my nephew Easton. He's been watching the videos quite frequently. So hi buddy, I hope you enjoy. Wellington. Here's Big Mac. And Brandon. All these guys are off milk now. They're on grain and weaned. So they're doing good being weaned and off milk. I think yesterday was the last time Wellington had it. Yeah, this weekend or within the next 2 weeks I gotta move them out of here so I can set up lambing pens and get ready for lambing season. So we'll look outside here a minute. I don't know if we'll be able to see the snow or not. It's dark out already. You can see it's drifting in by the door. But yeah, so we have all drifts there. And it's pretty cold out, so. But yeah, I figured I'd do a video and say hi to Easton and show him on how the cows and sheep were doing, or calves and sheep. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below. And you can share our videos with friends and family. That'd be great also. So thanks for watching. Have a good night.